Are you worried your job might become obsolete in the next few years? With automation, AI, and remote work on the rise, the career landscape is evolving fast. But don't worry, you can stay ahead. In this video, I'm going to share the must-have future-proof skills that will keep you relevant, valuable, and in demand, no matter what the future holds. Let's jump in. Your future is calling. The World Economic Forum predicts that over 85 million jobs may disappear by 2025, but also 97 million new ones will emerge. That means one thing: opportunity for those who are ready. Future-proofing your career doesn't mean predicting the future. It means building skills that adapt to it. So, what should you focus on? Here are my top 7 future-proof skills to master. First up, digital literacy and tech savviness. Whether you're in finance, design, healthcare, or education, tech is everywhere. Learn tools like Microsoft 365 or Google Workspace, project management platforms like Trello or Notion, and even basic coding or automation. Think Python or Zapier. Even understanding how AI tools work can make you a superhero at work. Mini tip: try Coursera, edX, or YouTube tutorials to build this fast. Second, emotional intelligence or EQ. Robots can't feel, but you can. Emotional intelligence helps you lead better, resolve conflicts, and collaborate effectively. Companies are hiring people who connect, not just compute. Third, critical thinking and problem solving. AI may give you data, but how you interpret it is the real skill. Employers love people who can analyze situations, ask smart questions, and make wise decisions under pressure. Fourth, adaptability and flexibility. The only constant is change. People who can pivot, learn new tools, and adjust quickly will always stay employed, even during layoffs, tech shifts, or market crashes. Mini tip: take on cross-functional projects or try new roles in your current job. Fifth, communication skills. You might be the smartest person in the room, but if you can't explain your ideas, it doesn't matter. Master storytelling, writing clear emails, giving presentations, and active listening. Mini tip: join Toastmasters or record yourself presenting on camera. Sixth, digital marketing and personal branding. In today's digital world, your online presence matters whether you're an entrepreneur or a job seeker. Learn social media basics, SEO and content marketing, and build your LinkedIn profile like a pro. Mini tip: create content around your field. Even one post a week can grow your visibility. Seventh, lifelong learning mindset. The most valuable skill? The ability to keep learning. If you're always upgrading, you'll never be outdated. This mindset is your best friend in a world that changes daily. Mini tip: build a learning routine, just 15 minutes a day of reading, watching, or practicing a new skill. Now let's zoom out for a second. AI, remote work, climate tech, health innovation, these are shaping the jobs of tomorrow. But here's the secret. If you're building the right skills, you can ride any wave. Some fields exploding right now: green energy and sustainability, cybersecurity, remote team leadership, UX design, and product thinking. So where do you begin? Step 1. Choose one skill that excites you. Step 2. Set a 30-day goal. Step 3. Track your progress weekly. Step 4. Apply it in a real-world setting. Even a side project counts. Remember, consistency beats intensity. The future belongs to the curious, the creative, and the courageous. If you start today, future you will thank you tomorrow. So, what skill will you start learning today? Let me know in the comments below. Comment your goal, subscribe for more career growth tips, like the video if you found it helpful, and share this with a friend who needs a career boost.